Using this platform, you can get paid $50 again and again from all over the world. This platform is absolutely free and you won't need to invest any money up front. This isn't about affiliate marketing, you don't have to sell or promote any products, and even a complete newbie can do this and get paid. Now, just before we start, I want to remind you that if you like my content and you want to see more, smash that like button down below in appreciation. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the video so I can show you everything. Okay, so let's get started, guys. As you can see, I am now on Fiverr.com. And right off the bat, we will not be using this platform to get paid. Let's make that clear right away. I know you guys hate it because it's competitive, and as such, we will not be using it. I instead want to show you something. But before we go on, for those of you who haven't heard about Fiverr before, let me explain what this is real quick. Fiverr is basically a freelancing platform where you can come and work as a freelancer or as a customer if you need some job done for you. And as you can see, thanks to the sheer amount of services you have on Fiverr, it doesn't matter if you need something translated for you, if you want a video editor, or whatever. You can find one very easily on Fiverr. With that said though, I'm on Fiverr, as I said before, not because we will be using it to get paid, but because I want to show you something. If you hover your mouse over video and animation right here, and then you go ahead and select intros and outros, you will see that there are thousands of freelancers offering their services, and all of them have made literally mind-boggling amounts of money creating intros and outros. This person here is asking $100 at a bare minimum for an intro or outro, and it's had over 200 reviews. So if we assume that all of the reviews bought this cheapest package, that means we'd still be talking about $20,000 made. And I can guarantee you the number is most likely higher for two reasons. Most people don't leave reviews, and not everyone goes for the cheapest plan, and this person is not the exception. Here's another fantastic example. We've got over 700 reviews and the cheapest package costs $35, so much less than that previous example. But if you still do the math and multiply $35 with 700 reviews, the funny thing is you'll end up with no less than $21,000 made, just like that previous guy. So, as you can see, creating intros and outros is very, very profitable for these people. These are only two of over 10,000 potential examples, and they can show very much that you can make a lot of money here. But how can you do so if you don't know how to create an intro or outro? How can you do so if you're a beginner with no skills or previous experience with making money online? Well, I have a tool that will literally create an intro for you and will allow you to earn this much money with little to no work. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. Before I get to the tool in question, however, I need you guys to head over to peopleperhour.com. This is a freelancing platform just like Fiverr, but unlike Fiverr, it doesn't have nearly as much competition. So if you create a gig, you will only struggle with customers until you get like a couple good reviews, and it's all smooth sailing from there. Another awesome feature is that you can search for people who need an intro done for them. You can do just that by clicking on Search here and then on Search Projects. On the next page, you just want to type in what job you are searching for, which in this case, intro and outro. And as you can see, there's an endless amount of people who want to pay the likes of you a lot of money. This is an awesome feature because you won't just create a gig and then sit around doing nothing while waiting for your customers. You can actually bid for jobs, which makes people per hour the best alternative to Fiverr in this case. What you need to do on here first, before you can create your gig and bid for any offers, is click on Sign Up in the upper right corner to create your brand new account. And only when you do that will you be able to start making money with this site. What you want to do from there is, as I said a second ago, create a gig. And when a customer either reaches out to you or you find someone yourself, you want to head over to the site I mentioned a while back that will do the work for you and allow you to earn hundreds of dollars. The site in question is called invideo.io. This is a platform some of you have most likely seen in some of my previous videos. For those of you who don't know what this is, InVideo is a website where you can create professional videos in 5 minutes, as is said right here. And more importantly for us, you can also create intros and outros using the 5,000 plus templates this website has to offer. But arguably, the very best feature of this platform, and also the reason I'm showing it today, is because it offers a free trial. A 7-day free trial to be exact. This means that what you can do is create a gig on people per hour, and when a customer reaches out to you, you will simply head over to InVideo here, sign up to the free trial, create an intro in a couple of minutes, send it back to your customer, and get paid. And then use that money to reinvest into this site so you can use it for the long term. In other words, you don't need to invest a dime up front, and this is all thanks to the free trial. Furthermore, as you can see, the paid plans aren't that expensive either. The most expensive one will cost you $360 annually. Meanwhile, if you charge like $50 per intro, which isn't that unreasonable, that means that just 10 customers would earn you $500, which is already 50% more than what you would have to invest. Long story short, this site is not that expensive and will allow you, for a tiny investment, to earn hundreds of dollars doing little to no work. With all of that said, what you need to do in order to be able to make an intro is click on Sign Up in the upper right corner, and then simply enter in all of your details or just sign up through Google or Facebook. When you do so, this is what you'll come across. To create an intro, what you need to do is type in intro in the search bar here, and this will now show you hundreds upon hundreds of templates, all of which you can customize to your liking and depending on what the customer wants. If you need an e-commerce intro, for example, you have it here, and so on. Basically, when you find an intro you like from all of these templates, you can choose one and click on it. You will just need to click on Use this template down below to be taken to the editor. And it's in the editor where you can literally customize everything and anything you want to. As you can see on the left-hand side, you can change the music if you don't like it. You can change the text, of course. You can add new scenes, remove existing ones, you can change the length of the individual scenes. There's literally nothing that you cannot do with this platform. In case you don't like the intro you picked, a great feature I really like as well is that you can change the template from the editor by clicking on Templates here, and then simply pick something else that would suit you. When you finish your intro and you are satisfied, just click on Export in the upper right corner and send it over to your customer, and then simply rinse and repeat from there. Obviously, you will want to invest just a tiny bit more time into this, so the intro is as good as you can make it. But even if you are a big perfectionist, thanks to InVideo here, you will be able to create an intro within 15 to 20 minutes, something that would normally take hours, and you can earn hundreds of dollars nevertheless. With that said though, I did not cover this in great detail, guys, for 2 reasons. InVideo offers you tutorials, and because I don't want to prolong this video. By the way, you can check out the tutorials by clicking on them here. Anyways, this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and you like my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below in appreciation. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.